Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will tell you that how to fix One UI 7 battery drain issue. I want to talk about a major issue some users are facing after updating to One UI 7.0, and that's battery drain. So, a lot of people have been reporting that ever since they updated to One UI 7.0, their phone's battery is draining faster than usual. For some it's a minor issue, but others are dealing with pretty serious battery loss. I actually got a comment on one of my videos that said, "The phone is overheating. The phone is out of battery in 3 hours, just listening to YouTube with the poorest visuals, and have my phone in dark mode and lowest quality video mode. It also won't charge fast." That comment had many likes, so clearly, this is affecting a lot of users. Now personally, I've been using both the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra unlocked versions, and I haven't noticed any major battery issues myself. But after reading through some replies and feedback, I found one user who claimed they were able to fix the battery drain by following a specific method. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few settings you can try on your own device. Then I'll also show you exactly what that person did to solve the problem. Maybe it'll work for you too. Let's start. Stick around, try these steps, and let me know in the comments if it helps. It might take a couple of days to really notice the difference, but I'd love to hear your results. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.